Welcome to another Whiteboard Wednesday. Today is 4 marketing trends going into 2021. I wanted to say hello to everybody out there. Hope your holiday seasons are going well. You're being safe, shopping online, and just wanted to say thank you and happy holidays. We're going to quickly touch on 4 topics. So for all of you out there, shopping local. Remember all of our small businesses. Give them a reach out. Share the love locally if you can. 1, it's an easier trip from the house and back. And 2, everyone's doing a lot of new things for COVID. They're, especially all the stores here in our local town, all of the different hand sanitizers and masks and protecting everybody and not letting 50 people in, so making you comfortable. They're doing all of that. So go local, shop small business. Think small, think local, and help out your fellow neighbors, right? Number 2, online shopping. Super increase in online shopping, even between the Instagram store, your Facebook store, things like that. So online, make it easier for the consumer to literally click through your online Instagram store, literally click through your Facebook store, have the products in front of them. Some of these ads are pretty nauseous that I've been seeing, and especially that's what the report is coming back, but they're still shopping online and it's increasing constantly. Remember that, a little holiday push there, a little marketing trend for 2021. Social media purchasing. So all of you have been on there, and if you're not an Instagrammer and you're not an IG guy, just know that Facebook ads and Instagram and even on their actual channels and the flow of all their posts, you can swipe up and then the cart will come up, and that's kind of where this trend is going to for clothing, accessories, products. Brands are running ads. It says shop now, and you can save it into your IG feed later to look at. These are things that are all trending, and more people are doing it. WordPress has made an integration so much easier for Facebook. Shopify's done an integration for both IG and Facebook. If you're an e-com person, really focus on the little things to make that shopping experience better for the consumer, okay? This goes into our visual storytelling. Your consumer is going to expect better content. They know that you are focusing on this. They know that it's important, not only to you, but to them to understand everything, that use the right type of content. It's got to be a little bit higher level than just your generic infographic color little guy running around with his hat flipping off that you see for all those $99 things. It's just not going to work today. It's not going to work tomorrow. It's not going to work in 2021. Spend the time, spend the money, have an accurate positioning of yourselves visually online, work with a professional if you don't know how to do it, which is what we do in many other firms. You have to up the ante, right? It's all about the storytelling. It's all about really representation of that brand properly, both visually and the verbiage, right? So we need to reach the audience, be able to talk to the audience quickly, within a minute, on an ad, 30 seconds or more, and you have to tell that story of each one of those products that you want to push. So up your ante, right? Go out there and extend your mind. Get outside yourself, outside your business sometimes. Look for help. It's out there. Many places are willing to help you get this done right. So again, here we go. Whiteboard Wednesday, 4 topics trending into 2021. Hope you enjoyed this. I know this is quick, but we can schedule a 30-minute consultation with you and talk to you about your brand, especially in 2021. It's probably the right time to rebrand if you haven't in years. Give us a call if you have any questions or problems. We have a 30-minute free consultation. We'd love to help you, talk with you about you, your brand, and your 5-year plan. Okay? For now, like I always say, see you next Wednesday.